Today, I'm excited to share a review of the Huuger Nightstand with charging station. I'll drop a link in the description below if you want to check it out. If you're looking for a nightstand that's not only stylish, but also functional and really nice quality, this could be the one for you. Huuger sent this to me to try, and I'll admit I had low expectations. I've tried a lot of similar furniture from other online brands, and they usually look fine, but probably aren't built to last. This Huuger Nightstand isn't like the others. Let me show you why. First off, let's talk about the design. I was blown away by the quality here. Every visible part of this nightstand is thick, solid wood, which gives it such a premium feel. It's much more substantial than others I've tried, and the finish is beautiful, smooth black that fits into any modern bedroom. The hardware is lovely too, with zinc alloy handles that give a nice, elegant touch. Now, my favorite feature has to be the built-in charging station. This thing is so useful. It has 2 regular outlets, a USB port, and a Type-C port, think lightning chargers, all right at the bedside. No more reaching behind the bed for outlets or dealing with extension cords. It's perfect for charging phones, tablets, earbuds, or powering a bedside lamp. Everything stays organized at arm's reach, and you won't have to worry about low batteries anymore. Another big plus is the storage space. This nightstand measures 19.7 inches wide by 15.7 inches deep and stands 23.6 inches tall. For reference, this is a platform bed with a 12-inch mattress, and the nightstand is the perfect height. The 2 drawers are wide and spacious, making it easy to store essentials like books, electronics, and personal items. I love having a clutter-free nightstand, and the Huuger keeps everything tucked away really neatly. And if you're worried about assembly, don't be. The Huuger Nightstand was pretty easy to put together with the manual. Nearly every part was labeled, and the ones that weren't were easy to figure out. I love it as a nightstand, but it would also make a great couch side table, or even use it as a table beside your favorite armchair. I love that it's so versatile and looks good anywhere. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with the Huuger Nightstand with charging station. It's a solid, stylish piece of furniture that's way better quality than most options out there. The charging station alone makes it worth it, but combined with the premium look and spacious storage, it's a no-brainer. If you're looking to elevate your space with something both functional and beautiful, definitely check this one out. Thanks so much for watching my review. If you want to check out this awesome nightstand, I'll put a link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Huuger Nightstand, or if you have any other recommendations. See you in the next video.